Hey everyone, we're going to be learning about the Python NLP library called spaCy. It is a powerful tool built specifically for NLP tasks, which is all about helping computers understand, interpret, and respond to human language. So, without further ado, let's begin with installing spaCy. You can either go into your terminal or just type in the Jupyter cell. We'll type in pip install spaCy. Hit enter. And since I already have it downloaded, didn't have to download again. Once that's done, we'll also need to install a model. spaCy offers models for various languages and sizes, but to keep things simple, we'll use the small English model, which you can install by the command python-m spaCy download English core web sm. It'll take a while. Okay, so you can see it's downloaded and we can load it using spaCy.load. Okay, so we're all set and let's start by importing spaCy. We'll write import spaCy. Next, we'll create an object. Let's call it NLP and we'll write spaCy.load English core web sm. And now let's just create a doc. The doc will be just the text that we need to work on. So let's say NLP with spaCy is fascinating. This is our doc. And there are a ton of things that one must consider when creating an NLP pipeline or when performing some manipulations on the document. We'll be learning about them in the coming videos, but for now, let's just tokenize the text. Tokenizing just means splitting the words in the given text. So we'll just type for token in doc print token dot text. And you can see from the sentence NLP with spaCy is fascinating. Each word has been split or been tokenized. We'll learn more about tokenizing in the coming videos, but this was just a simple demonstration. So that's the basics of loading spaCy and performing a very simple tokenization. So make sure to stick around for the future videos and I'll see you in the next one.